Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the lesson feature in your Populi course. I'm in one of my classes and I'm on my lesson tab. Here you can see the lessons that I have already made, and I've organized them according to topics, as you can see down here, and then individual class sessions, as you can see here up at the top. I tell my students what session, what lesson I'm referring to, usually by not only the title, but then I add the date on there so it's easier for them to reference. Let's say I want to add a new lesson to this lesson page. So I would go and click on Add a Lesson, title my new lesson page, save it, and it appears here at the bottom. Now, if I wanted to go ahead and move this up, so reorder it, I'd click Reorder Lessons, and every page will then transfer into this format. You click and drag, and then you position it appropriately according to your preferences. When you're done, just click Done Reordering. When you're going to a specific lesson page, you have a number of different options to communicate with your students, to post materials, and to provide your content. Here I have a Prezi presentation. This is my version, or my preferred version of PowerPoint. You can embed them in your lesson pages by just clicking and pasting the link, and I'll show you that in a minute. You can see that I've actually typed out some of the content, and then I've posted a YouTube video. This is a YouTube video of myself showing the students how to upload their assignment. Over in the top right hand corner, I have 3 assignments that were used for that particular class session. We'll discuss how to create assignments a little bit later. And I also had 2 discussion boards that were associated with this lesson. I have an option to add additional links if I wanted them to go to different websites to do reading, and I could also upload documents to this page, but I didn't need to do that for this particular class. You can see an example of the documents and how they would appear here. You can also, let's say I wanted to hide this document. Once I've added it, I can then select Hidden as an option, and you'll have a little box that tells you that this file isn't available to the students. So you go through and then click on it again, remove the hidden option, and then resave it, and that gives the students access. That allows you to preload all of your materials, and then let's say you have an answer to an essay, then you can hide it and you don't have to worry about reloading your page at a later time. I'm going to show you how to actually go through and edit your individual lesson page. So when you go through and you click Edit that page, you can then rename your lesson by typing here, and then down in this box, this is where you can actually post all of your content. So earlier I mentioned that you can post a link, and that link, it will be to a video, to a Prezi, to any other types of videos or audio files. I've already pre-copied a video. It's actually a Prezi. So what I did is I pasted, I clicked Save, and then this is what the students will see once this page goes active. And it's that simple. So then the students can simply click Start Prezi, and it will load, and then they can stream it directly in your lesson page. So as you can see, you can just go through and treat it just like you would on the actual desktop or laptop that you would bring into class with you. If you want to add an image to your lesson page, go to Add File, and you'll get a nice little drag and drop box. You take the file, the picture from your computer and drag and drop. It'll upload. Click Done, and then you'll see that it appears in your Files area. Once you click on it, you're going to get this little embed link. I want you to copy this link, close your box, go back to Edit, and then you're going to position it, paste the embed link, and hit Save. So your image, your picture, will then appear in the box that is provided for your content on this lesson page. If you're wanting to go through and just type content for your students or provide any other type of written work, you go and type. It's that simple. There are a few editing options here at the top. You can change the font size, you can do bold, underlined, add links directly in here. There's another way that you can go and upload the image by clicking here and then dragging and dropping the image via this. This keeps, I'll show you the difference. So this keeps the process similar. It's just that you are dragging and dropping into a box that you have activated while you're in the editing screen. You'll still get a link here. It's just that you don't have to get out of your editing mode and go into your public mode to add the file. If you have any questions about editing, uploading, or using your lesson page, please let me know. You can send me an email or stop by my office. Thank you very much.